Activating notifications on BigCommerce can help you stay updated on important events and activities within your store. Follow these steps to enable notifications effectively. Step 1. Log into your BigCommerce account. Begin by accessing your BigCommerce store. Enter your credentials to log into the admin dashboard where you can manage your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to Notification Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it and then find and select Notifications to access the Notification Settings page. Step 3. Choose Notification Preferences. On the Notification Settings page, you will see various options for different types of notifications. Review the available options and select the ones you want to activate, such as order updates, customer messages, or inventory alerts. Step 4. Set up notification channels. After selecting your preferences, choose how you want to receive notifications. You can opt for email alerts, SMS messages, or push notifications through the BigCommerce mobile app. Make sure to enter the necessary contact details for your chosen method. Step 5. Save your changes. Once you have configured your notification preferences and channels, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure that all your changes are applied and that you will start receiving notifications as per your settings. By following these steps, you can successfully activate notifications on BigCommerce and stay informed about your store's activities. Regularly check your settings to ensure they align with your business needs.